Welcome to Rise. So the perfect guide for NEET, JEE and MSET students. Today we are going to discuss about so JEE 2022 first sessions question paper analysis. Okay, so I will play the questions and I will give time for the each and every questions and we will solve together. Okay. Okay, students, first of all, let me tell what we are going to discuss in this session. See here. So first of all, see here, we will solve along with, first of all, I will play questions and we will solve together. And then I will give few tips and tricks. And then last at the end, so I will discuss about the happy exam pattern. So how we have to attempt session 2. So first 1 hour what we have to do, and the second 1 hour what we have to do, and the last 1 hour what we have to do. So that we will discuss. Okay. Okay. So then I will also conduct a question and answer round also. So this is the first question. I will give 1 minute of time. Try to solve this question. Okay. Now then I will explain the answer. Then I will explain the answer. The question is, if a rocket runs on the fuel, so here they are taking as a fuel C15H30 and liquid as what they are taking oxygen. Okay, what they are taking oxygen, and the weight of oxygen required and CO2 is released for every liter of the fuel respectively are given. So here they also given density also 0.756 gram per liter. So we have to find the answer. Can anyone solve this question? If screen is not visible clearly, please resolution ni penchukondi. Increase the resolution in your YouTube. This question is asked from thermodynamics. Okay, now this question is based on what? Combustion reaction. Chinnu, at least try answer, try cheyandi. Try to solve this question. Give me your answer. Just imagine this question is came in second session of your exam. Okay, no problem. So I'll solve this question. Please listen carefully. See here. First of all, we have to write the reaction because this is what? It is a combustion reaction. So first of all, we have to write the reaction. So what is the reaction? Here given C15. See here, I am writing here C15 and H30, and they are reacting with what? Oxygen, that means O2. So in combustion reaction, so what will be happen when C15H30 is going to react with oxygen? So generally CO2 will going to produce and plus H2O also is going to produce. Are you getting my point? Jashwant, Chintu? Okay. So next step, what we have to do? We have to balance this equation. Very important. We have to balance this equation. See here. Here how many carbons are present? Here 15 carbons are present. Okay, sir. So we can put 15 here. Then we will get 15 carbons. Okay. So we are balanced carbon numbers, and then what we have to do? We have to balance here hydrogens. Here 30 hydrogens are present. So we can so here 2 is there na, H2. We can, if we will put 15 here, so 30 hydrogens will be come. So that means hydrogens are also balanced. So then we have to balance what? Oxygen. See here in product. See here 15 into 2. 15 into 2 means what? 30 oxygens are there in CO2, and in H2O 15 oxygens are there. That means what? Total 45 oxygens are there. So here in equation, what we have to put? We have to put 45 by 2. Okay. Are you getting my point? 45 by 2. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, sir. See here in question, fuel is given how many liters? Just 1 liter. So we have to find for 1 liter now. See here, fuel is equal to what? 1 liter. Okay, sir. Next here, density also given here, density. So see here, density is equal to how much? Density is denoted by D. D is equal to what? So we have to find for 1 liter. That's why see here 1 liter means what? 1000 ml. Okay, sir, 1000 ml into, so density how much they are given? 0.756 gram per liter. So total how much we will get? Very simple, we will get 756 grams. Okay, 756 grams. Okay, sir, density came. Okay, na? Note this. Okay, na? Note this density. And we have to find the mass of this C15 and H30. So what is the mass of this C15 and H30? C15 and H30. What is the mass? See here. What is the weight of carbon? Carbon weight is 12. Very simple. So 12. So here 15 carbons are there. So 12 into 15. 12 into 15 is equal to how much? Very simple. 180. And here 30 means what is the weight of one hydrogen? 1. So 30 into 1 is equal to how much? 30. So total, what is the molecular weight? So 180 into, okay, see here how what we will get? 210. Okay, na? Please respond, students. You are just listening. Okay, na? See here. So manaku C15 and H30 mass ento ochindi manaku molecular mass. So 210 ochindi. Okay, sir. Next we have to find what? This CO2 molecular mass. How much? What is the molecular weight of this CO2? So CO2 molecular weight is, see here. Here 15 CO2 molecules are there. So 15. So that's why here we will get what? 15 into, so carbon atomic number how much? 6. What is the weight? So 12. So 12 plus this 12 plus oxygen 32. That means how much? So 44. So 15 into 44 how much? Tell me 15 into 44 how much? Tell me 15 into 44 how much? Fastly. 660. At least give me help me in the calculations. Okay, calculations would rava. 7 members are there in online. Okay, so what is the molecular weight of this CO2? So 660. Okay, sir. Next, what is the molecular weight of this O2? So we have O2 molecular weight enta. So oxygen, actually it is having 32. Okay, 32. So 32 into, here 45 by 2 is there na? So we have to do 45 by 2, 2 ones and 2 16 16 into 45 how much? 16 into 45 how much? Tell me. 720 grams. Okay na? So we find manam em find chesam? We find the molecular weight of what? O2, and we find the molecular weight of what? This C15 and H30. Okay, sir. And we also find the what? Molecular weight of CO2. Okay. Then what we have to do? Just write the values. See here. See here. This fuel, C15 fuel. First of all, we have to find C15 fuel how much? 210. Okay, sir. Next, 210 grams. So 210 grams, this oxygen, what is the molar mass? 720 grams. Okay. Then what we have to find? We have to find for the density of how much? We have to find the density of what? 756. 756 grams density ki manam find out jayala. We have to find out. Okay, na? So just to do cross multiplication, what we will get answer? See here I am writing. Just a minute, I'll rub it. Okay. I think this is clear now. Okay, see here. So 720 into 756 by 210. So we have to, what we have to do, just cross multiplication. So what we will get answer? Just calculate, just cheppandi. Tell me by calculating. Jashwant Chintu, hi. Akash, hi. Akash, hi. How much answer we will get? Tell me. 25992 grams. 2592 grams. Very simple. Use calculator. Very easy. Make the answer. Next, what we have to find? We have to find for same this 210 grams of fuels all there, and we have to find for carbon dioxide. So what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? We already find find out చేసాం మనం already. 210 grams is given to how much? 660. And for how much density we have to find? We have to find for 760 grams. So just what we have to do, we have to cross multiply. See here, cross multiply cheyandi. What we will get? 756 into 660 by 210. So how much we will get? We will get 2376 grams. So what is the correct option? Tell me what is the correct option. So 250 2592 ekkundi chudandi, 2592. So I will going to I will rub this, then you will get it is visible clearly. 25, see here, 2592 is here na, so option C is the correct option. And 2376. So what is the correct option? Correct option is C. Okay na? So let us go to the next question. Okay, so what is the second question? Okay, consider the following pair of electrons. So this is very simple question. This question is asked from atomic structure. Okay na? So from atomic structure, so from which topic this question asked? Quantum numbers. Okay, so 10 members are in live, so try to solve this question. I will give 1 minute of time. Try to solve this question. This question paper is Jashwant. Even you will get wrong answer, no problem. Try to answer. Akash, Sudhakar, please respond na. Swati, Jashwant. Yes, Chintu, Jashwant. So try to give answer. Very simple. So this topic so నేను ఎంసెట్ లో కూడా కవర్ చేశాను. ये टॉपिक को मैं एमसेट में भी कवर किया था. समझ रहे? So okay, no problem. So what they are asking exactly in question? Please first read carefully. Consider the following pair. Okay, we are considered. Okay na, see here, the pairs of the electron present in degenerated orbitals is or. Okay, that means is, when they will give is or, so maybe one answer is there, or maybe more than one answer also will be there in the options. Okay na? Okay, let us find it. Okay, let us find it. See here, see first check option B. So దీనికి మనకు option B అనేటువంటిది correct option. So first of all we have to use elimination method. So when they will ask quantum numbers, so just to use elimination method you will get answer. So we have to find same pairs and which is having same electrons. Okay na? Same electrons unna pair ni manam find out cheyali. Same electrons unna pair ni, and those orbitals must and should be what? Degenerated orbitals. Okay, degenerated orbitals. See here, n is equal to 3, that means 3, and L is equal to 1 means what? L values, if L value is 1, so then that is SR, L value is 0, that means that is S orbital. So 1 p orbital, 2 means d orbital, and 3 means f orbital. Okay na? See here, L value here 1 is given, that means 1p. See here, 3p is there. Here 3, n is equal to 3, and L is equal to 2, so 3d, 3p and 3d. So in 3p how much electrons will be present in 3p? So obviously 6 electrons. Okay, so means here 3 orbitals present na. In p means 3 suborbitals present, px, py, pz, and in d means how many orbitals present? So 5. Okay, so here 10 electrons are present, so not matching. So we have to select the same number of electron pairs. Okay na, see here, see the option B. Okay na, see the option B. See here, n is equal to 3. Okay sir, n is equal to 3, that means 3, and L is equal to 2, that means what? L is equal to means what? D. So 3D. And here, so option B, in option B, this is option A. In option B, this is, see here, option B. See here. So n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 2. That means 3D. Here also 3D. So in 3D, 10 electrons are present. Here also 10 electrons present. But here M value and L value also given. We have to check that values also. See here, 3D means, so this is the structure of 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 orbitals. So this is 0. So here ML value -2 is given. We have to check -2 is there or not. See here. So L value should be what? So if L value is 0, so ML value is how much? 0 to minus plus 0 to -0. Okay na? If ML, so if L value 1, so what is the ML value? So -1, 0 and +1. So if L value 3, so -2, -1, 0, -2, sorry, +2, +1. Okay na? So like this we have to write the L value. See here, here 0, here -1, write -1, here -2, and here +1, and here +2. Okay, see here ML value here -2 is given. So -2 is there or not? Yes, here -2 is there. Okay, and in second, see here ML value -1 is given. -1 also there. That means both are correct statement. And see here MS value. So MS value, it may be what? It may be a plus of, it may be a minus of. Okay na? So here they are given minus of, that means correct. So option B is the correct option. Okay na? Option B is the correct option. Clear? Clear? Okay. So let us go to the next question. Very simple question this is. So option B only correct option. Okay now, option B only correct option. Okay. So let us go to the next question. So what is the question? Match of the following is there. So this question is asked from, see here, coordination compound, coordination compounds. Okay na? And which is also based, this question is also based on what? Hybridization. Hybridization. That means what? That means what? Chemical bonding. That means what? Chemical bonding. Here one exception is there. Very important and simple question. Okay, so your time is up. So let me do the answer. Okay, na? So this is very simple question, but few exceptions also there. Beta, exceptions also present. See here, we have to find the what? Hybridization for these 4 compounds. So in this 4 compounds, 2 compounds are coordination compounds and 2 compounds are normal compounds. Those compounds from chemical bonding, and 2 compounds from where? Coordination compound. Okay na? Coordination chemistry. See here, what is the hybridization of PT and Cl4 2 minus? See here, very important, very important. Here, what is the oxidation state of PT? इधर PT का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना है? बताओ अल्हा, बताओ प्लैटिनम का ऑक्सीडेशन कितना आ रहा है इधर? सो इसको x मान लो. ओके, एंड x प्लस हियर क्लोरीन विल हैव -1. ओके, सो 4 क्लोरीन्स आर देयर, 4 into -1 एंड इज इक्वल टू, सो इसका ऊपर कितना चार्ज है? कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड का ऊपर -2a इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? -2. सो दिस -4 को इधर लेके जाओ. सो x इज इक्वल टू -2 + 4. इसका मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना आ रहा है? बोलो, +2 आ रहा है. कितना आ रहा है? वी आर गेटिंग +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट हियर. Are you getting my point? Very important. At +2 oxidation state, chlorine will act as a strong, at platinum at +2 oxidation state, chlorine will act as a strong field ligand. क्लोरीन कैसे एक्ट करेगा? स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लाइगैंड के तरह व्हाट एक्ट करेगा. क्यों? Actually chlorine is weak field ligand, but when PT will come, so it will act as a what? strong field ligand, because pt having very big atomic number. Okay, okay, are you getting my point? Okay, okay sir. So let us find the hybridization of pt. See here, pt having how much? So +2 oxidation state. So what is the electronic configuration of pt? Tell me, anyone, do you know what is the electronic configuration of pt? See here, actually the what is the atomic number? Atomic number, tell me. So electronic configuration is 4f14 and 5d9 and 6s1. Okay, so here +2, it is having +2 oxidation state ना, we have to remove 2 electrons. Okay ना, it is nothing but इसके पास 2 electron कम है. So and 4p में 6p भी रहता, लेकिन 6p में 0 electrons रहता. See here, we have to remove this 1 electron from this valence shell and 1 electron from this 5d. Okay, see here, we will get 5d8. Okay na, next is 6s0, next is 6p0. Okay na. Okay, so around pt how many ligands are present? 4 chlorine ligand, 4 chlorines are present. So 4 chlorine can donate 4 lone pair of electrons. See here, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5. See here, so here fluorine acts as a what? Strong field ligand. Chlorine, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So pairing will take place. Okay na, when strong field ligand is there, there will be pairing of electrons is takes place. Next is 6s में 0 and 6p में कितना है? 0 भी है. See here, one chlorine will come and donate 1 electrons to here, and one chlorine will come here, one chlorine will come here, and another chlorine will come here. Fluor chlorines can form 4 coordinate bonds. So what is the hybridization here? So this is one d, this is one d orbital now. So d, and this is one s, and this is, so in p how many orbitals are participating in hybridization? 2. So p2. So dsp2 is the correct option for the option A. Okay, so option A is dsp2, that means 3. Okay, is it clear? Next, what is the hybridization of brfi? We can say simply, what is the hybridization of? Yes, yes, I am solving first session of JEE. Okay na, 24th row jarina 20 question. Okay na, so tell me, just simple through hybridization formula we can find. Okay na, tell me what is the hybridization? sp3, इसका क्या है? sp3d2 है. Very simple. So sp3d2 मतलब, see here, sp3d2 4. Okay, next to pcl5, what is the hybridization? sp3d2, sp3d2, sorry, sp3d pcl5. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal, and here we will get d2 sp3. So here it is acting as a strong field ligand only, nh3. If you have confusion, you can find here cobalt having +3 oxidation state. At +3 oxidation state, cobalt will show what? 3d7 and 4s2. So and 4p0, and here +3 means we have to remove 3 electrons. That means we will get 3d6. So from here we will remove 2 electrons. Here 1 electron. Okay. So and 4s0 and 4p0. So strong field ligand means here taking pairing is taking place 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 4s0 and 4p also 0. So here one cobalt, see here one nh3, and here one nh3, and here one nh3, and here one nh3, and here also one nh3. So d2 sp3, d2 sp3, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, d2 sp3. Okay na, that means octahedral, so pentagonal bipyramidal. Is it okay? Is it okay? So what is the correct option? Now you just tell me what is the correct option. The correct option is B. Correct option is B. Okay. So A का आंसर क्या है? 3, and B का आंसर कितना है? कितना है? 4, and C का आंसर कितना है? This one, and D का आंसर 2 है. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Anurag? Okay, Anurag. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next question. Let us go to the next question. So what is the next question? See here, what is the next question? I will give 1 minute of time. Do this answer. Okay, na? Do this answer. Do this answer. Give below two. Here two statements are given. This is theory based question. Very simple. Okay. Try to give the answer. Anurag, hi. Theory based question. This question is asked from surface chemistry. Okay, surface chemistry నుంచి అడిగినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. I will give 60 seconds of time. Try to give the answer. Nobody giving answer. Nobody. 11 members are there in online, but nobody is giving answer. If anyone will not understand my language, you can message. If you will not understand the question or my explanation, you can also message here. अल्लाह को मेरा इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए उसको इंग्लिश नहीं समझ आ रहा है, इसलिए मैं इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करता हूँ, एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ थोड़ा. वैसा कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो तुम बोल सकते. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन टेल. सुमित कुमार, आप एक काम करो, YouTube का वो रेजोल्यूशन है ना, उसको थोड़ा इंक्रीज करो. क्वेश्चन आपको दिखेगा 480 और 720 रख दो, क्योंकि मैं वेबसाइट में पढ़ रहा है, आई मीन सॉल्व कर रहा है. Okay, so let me do this answer. So this is very simple answer. This question is asked from surface chemistry. Okay, na? Surface chemistry. And on which topic? Which topic? On the base colloids. Yes, am I right? कोलाइड्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया था. कोलाइड्स का एप्लीकेशन में क्या रहता है, हमको एमल्शन रहता है ना, सो एमल्शन से एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. एमल्शंस. सो व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग हियर इन फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. सो emulsion of oil in water, very important, oil in water. Generally we have two types, water in oil and oil in water. They are not asking water in oil, they are asking about what they are telling about. What in first statement they are telling about oil in water. So what they are telling, so emulsions of oil in water are not stable and sometimes they separate into two layers on standing. So this is obviously सच्ची बात है. ओके, सच्ची बात है. पूरा एनसीईआरटी के लाइंस दे दिया था इधर. सो दे आर गिवन एनसीईआरटी लाइंस, सेम एनसीईआरटी लाइंस. सो व्हाट दे आर गिवन, emulsions of oil in water are unstable, right? Unstable, and sometimes they will separate into two layers on standing. Yes, they are sometimes. So emulsions అనేటువంటి separate అవుతాయి two layers గా. Okay. Okay, so first statement is correct only. Okay, first statement is correct only. ये बात clear है क्या? So what is the next statement? For stabilization of an emulsion, excess of electrolyte is added in light of the above statement. See here, they are saying that for above statement, so to decrease this instability, so they are adding excess amount of electrolyte, excess amount of. So is it correct? ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं करेक्ट है. ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट है. क्योंकि मैं बताता हूं, आप देखो. सी हियर. सो जनरली, so emulsions of oil in water are unstable. So if you want to stabilize, so what we have to do means, to obtain the stability of emulsions, so we have to add small quantity of what? Third substances So this third substances is called as what? Emulsifying agents. Okay, emulsifying agents. So we will also call as what? Emulsifiers. So we will call it as what? Emulsifiers. Okay, Anurag, very good. Emulsifiers. So we have to add. So what is the best example for the emulsifiers? So electrolyte. Electrolyte is the best example for what? Emulsifiers. So here they said that excess amount of the electrolyte they will going to add, but we have to add what? Small quantity of what? Emulsifiers. So that means statement 2 is wrong, statement 1 is correct. Okay, so what is the correct option? So statement A is correct, but statement 2 is not correct. So option C is the correct option. So let us go to the next question. See here, let us go to the next question. So see here, here some oxides are there. So oxides are given. So from these oxides we have to find amphoteric oxides. Okay, so find this answer. See, we have to find the what? Amphoteric oxides. So how many number of amphoteric oxide are present here? Just tell me, just tell me. Sadak बताओ, अनुराग बताओ कितना है amphoteric oxide इसमें? Tell me. So only one. So your time is up. Okay, na? So only one amphoteric oxide is present. That is what? As2 and O3. As2 and O3. This is what? Amphoteric oxide. So remaining are different. See here, NaOH, which type of oxide it is? It is a basic oxide. And NO2, so NO2 is what? NO2 is NO2 and NO, both are what? Neutral oxides. Am I right? Confused, Sadak? So मैं बताता हूँ, मैं लिस्ट देता हूँ, वो लिस्ट को अच्छी तरह से नोट करो. पहले ये नोट करो, इसके बाद मैं लिस्ट देता हूँ, वो नोट करो. तुमको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो what are the acetic acids, what are the amphoteric oxides, what are the basic oxides? If they will ask any question, so you can answer. So I will give list, just note it. So पहले ये देखो question क्या है? They are asking amphoteric oxides. They are given some oxides. From these oxides, they are asking how many amphoteric oxides are there. So only amphoteric oxide, one amphoteric oxide is there, that is As2O3. Okay, na? As2O3. So this Na2O is a basic oxide, and N2O and NO both are neutral oxides, and this Cl2O7 is what? It is what? It is acidic oxide. Are you getting my point? Okay, so first of all note this. So what is the correct option? Only one oxide is there, that means option B is the correct option. Okay, na? Okay, so now I will give example for the what? Acidic basic oxides. Sorry, first of all I will give example for what? Amphoteric oxides. So amphoteric oxides thoda they are very good number, that means highest number. So we have to note, we have to butify, we don't have any option. Okay, we don't have any option. See here, first of all let me write amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxide, see here, ZNO and SNO4 and BeO and Al2O3. And please all of you note this. If next time in next session maybe they will ask what are the acidic oxides, what are the basic oxides, then you will understand now. Okay, then you will understand now. See here, PbO and PbO2. Okay, so these all are what? Amphoteric oxides. See here in Zn, here Zn having here +2 oxidation state, Zn here Sn having what is the oxidation state of Sn here? 4. And SnO2 also present here, Sn having what? +2 oxidation state, and BeO here beryllium having +2 oxidation state. So no need to remember oxidation state, but I am telling, note it. So you just have to remember what are the amphoteric oxides. And aluminum here it is having +3 oxidation state and PbO, and these both are what? Having +1 oxidation state. So these both are what? So all these are what? Amphoteric amphoteric. So not completed amphoteric acids. So और भी है, क्या क्या है? Yes, S2O3, that means this one, okay na, this is amphoteric oxide na, for example for what? Amphoteric oxide. Okay, so next Fe2O3 and Sb2O3 and Cr2O3 and V2O5. सो एनसीईआरटी में ये क्वेश्चन तुमको जरूर कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट समझो, रिमेंबर दिस ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +5 and next tellurium oxide. Okay, and see here PbO4 also, it is what? It is also amphoteric oxide, because this is the combination of what? PbO, 2PbO and PbO2. So here PbO and PbO both are what? Amphoteric oxide. से ये both combine होके हमको ये इसको produce करेगा, इसको क्या हम क्या बोलेगा? Red lead बोलेगा, red lead. ओके ना, ये भी क्या है? Amphoteric oxide का example है. ओके ना, this is the mixed oxide of what? Amphoteric oxide. So next Pb3O2 है. This is also important. This is also what? An amphoteric oxide. So these are the example for amphoteric oxide. If next time they will ask what are the example for what? Amphoteric oxide. पूरा हमारा periodic table में जितने भी amphoteric oxide है वो सब इधर में लिख दिया. Note this, very very important. Okay, आप नोट दिया, एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. मैं एसिडिक और बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स के बारे में भी बोलता हूँ. Okay. See here, let me talk about what? Basic oxides. Very important. For basic oxide, you can remember very easily. So oxides of, see here, metals. Oxides of what? Metals. Okay na? So this metals and this oxides of what? Non-metals. Non-metals. Okay. So oxides of metals and oxides of non-metals. See here, oxides of metals, what? These are basic in nature. Okay, clear? So what are the oxides of metals? And these oxides should be having very less valence shell electrons. So up to 3 valence shell electrons. VSC means valence electrons. So इसके पास 1 or 2 or 3 valence electrons रहता है this metals के पास. Okay ना? So see here, very simple. MgO, we can write MgO and LaO, sorry, CaO, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide and beryllium oxide and Na2O and K2O. So these all are what? Basic oxides. And when we will react this basic oxide with H2O, so it will produce what? It will produce MgO. When react with H2O, it will produce MgOH taken to, and this will produce what? This will produce what? CaOH taken to, and this will produce what? 2NaOH when it will react with water, and it will produce what? Sorry, this will produce Be, beryllium hydroxide, and it will produce BeOH. Write this, BeOH, and this is NaOH, and it will produce what? KOH. So why I am telling means, maybe in next sem they will ask. So in this session they asked about amphoteric oxide. So maybe we have a chance in next sem they in next session they maybe ask what are the basic oxides, maybe what are the acidic oxides. We have a chance now. Okay, so these all are what? These all are, I will change color, then you will understand. These all are basic oxides. Okay, basic oxide. You can also set, you can also see here Na2O. I said what? Na2O, what? Na2O, this, see here, Na2O is there na. So this is what? Basic oxide na. So they are given from this list only. Okay na, they are given from this list only. So non-metals means what? How you will remember means जिसका oxidation state 3 से ऊपर होता है, like 3 से ज्यादा. Okay, oxidation state 3 से ज्यादा होता है, higher oxidation state. Okay, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So उसका oxide से ना, वो oxide से हमारा acidic oxides like CO2 and SO3 and P2O5 and NO2 and Cl and O3 and next Cl2O and Cl2O7. Cl2O7. See here, Cl2O7 is there now. This is what? This is what? This is acidic oxide. So this all these are what? Acidic oxides. Remember this? All these are what? Acidic oxides. एक बार स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. We will go to next question. Screenshot ले लो. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so let us go to the next question. So from now, at least try to give the answer. Okay, na? From now, at least try to give the answer. So first of all, I'll show this question. Read this question first of all. Read this question. Read it. Okay. Read it up to 30 seconds. Okay, na? Then I will show options. Okay, na? Then I will show options. Either दो ही options visible हो रहे हैं. I have to scroll. लेकिन if I minimize, you can't. It is can't visible to you, na? That's why I'm. Okay. At least try to give the answer. No problem if it is wrong. अरे गलत है तो क्या हो जाएगा भाई? तुमको हाँ क्या हो जाएगा? Even you will give wrong answer, no problem. Try to give the answer. Then you will get one experience. Okay, na live experience you will get. This is also very simple theory question. Okay, theory question. I'm not expected this JEE question. I'm not thinking that this is not a range of JEE question, but they are given. From organic chemistry, from organic, and from mainly from inorganic, they are asking question from NCERT. If you will read point to point of NCERT, you will not lose 1 mark also, even 1 mark also. They are not given from out of the NCERT. Okay. Okay. आप तो नहीं दे रहे हैं. NO is acidic. No, it is a neutral. NO is a neutral. Sadak, NO is a neutral. Okay. So I'll show. See here. Options भी देखो एक बार options भी देखो. Once you just see the options also. Okay. Okay. So let me do this answer. See here, match of the following. See here, list 1 is there, list 2 is there. We have to match. Okay, now what is the formula of what? See here, calamine is given, galenia is given, siderite is given, and spiralite also given. So what is the formula of spiralite? What is the formula? They are asking just common name. Just common name they are asking. What is the formula of spiralite? Can anyone? Zinc sulfate is called as a what? Spiralite. Very simple. And next, what is the formula of calamine? Calamine formula क्या है? Zinc carbonate. And what is the formula of galena? Galena formula, what is the formula of galena? Galena formula is what? Lead sulfate. Okay. And siderate formula is finally ferrous what? Carbonate. Ferrous carbonate is called as a, see here I am writing here. Okay, you just remember this. Okay. Yes, PBS. Very good. Very good. Galena PBS. Very good. Sadak, very good. Yes. Clear ho gaya? Just, it is just a theory topic. Okay, na? What is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. First one is 4th and B. B ka answer kya hai? 3, that is zinc carbonate. Okay, na? Very simple. Okay, let us go to the next option. Okay, so what is the next question? See here. See here, 4 options only there. Na? See here. The highest industrial consumption of molecular hydrogen is produce products of element. Products of element. What is the option? Carbon or nitrogen or oxygen or chlorine? Highest industrial consumption of the molecular hydrogen is to produce compounds of elements. What? So what is the correct option? Well, the correct option is what? Nitrogen. Okay ना? Nitrogen. So nitrogen hydrogen के साथ क्या करेगा? Ammonia form करेगा. NH3. So in industrial, so we will produce high amount of what? Ammonia. Okay na? So around we will produce 55%. Okay. 55%. Very simple. So let us go to the next question. So try to give the answer for this question. Okay. Okay, see here. So let us see the next question. See here. Which of the following statement are correct? We have to find the correct statement. Okay. We have to. This question is asked from where, Chapandi? Yes, block na. Zinc sulfate. Option A is correct. Very good. Very good. Very good. See here. See here we have to find what correct statements. Here A, B, C, D. So four statements are given. 4 statement दिया है हमको. इसमें से हम करेक्ट ऑप्शन को फाइंड करना है. सी हियर व्हाट इज द पहले ऑप्शन क्या है? बोथ LiCl and MgCl are soluble in ethanol. Is it correct? Tell me, is it correct? Is it correct? Tell me. So see the next question. So the oxides of lithium and magnesium oxides, lithium and magnesium oxide combined with the excess amount of oxygen, it will give superoxides. We can blindly say that option B में क्या है? ये superoxide produce कर सकते हैं क्या? Superoxide produce कर सकते हैं क्या? Say lithium oxide and magnesium oxide. देखो see here, lithium oxide and magnesium oxide. See here, this lithium oxide is what? It is a छोटी सी कैटायन है. क्या है ये? छोटी सी कैटायन. लिथियम ऑक्साइड इज वेरी स्मॉल कैटायन एंड मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, हियर मैग्नीशियम आल्सो इट इज स्मॉल कैटायन. So both these two can form only monoxides. Okay na? This will not form superoxide peroxides. Okay na? So superoxide peroxides are what? They are having larger size. Okay, कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छे सेट नहीं हो जाएगा. ओके, छोटी कैटायन और बड़ी आनियन के साथ. ओके, सो ऑप्शन बी गलत है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, सो ऑप्शन सी, ऑप्शन ए डाउट है, देखेंगे वो आंसर को भी. सी, लिथियम फ्लोराइड इज लेस सॉल्युबल इन वाटर देन alkali metal fluorides. So it is a very straight and forward answer. So what is the, so lithium fluoride is will not soluble in water. It is correct only. Okay, nitrogen, very nitrogen. Okay, so option C is the correct option on the next. D, lithium oxide is more soluble in water than alkali metal oxides. So this also wrong. This also wrong, because lithium fluoride will so less soluble, and lithium oxide also what? It is less soluble. Lithium oxide also it is less soluble in water. So that's why option D and the what? Option D is wrong answer. क्योंकि lithium oxide है ना, ये water में soluble नहीं होता. Okay ना? Water में soluble नहीं होता. समझ रहे हैं ना? And this option C is correct option, and option B also correct option. Lithium chloride, option A and option C, both are correct options. Okay, so lithium chloride and magnesium chloride both are soluble in ethanol. These two are not soluble in water, but they are solvent in organic solvents like ethanol. Clear? Clear? So what is the correct option? A and C are the correct options. A and C both are the correct options. So option A is the correct option. Okay, let us go to the next question. What is the next question? See here. Identify the correct statement of about B2H6. So this is very simple question. Okay na? This question is asked from where? Carbon family. Sorry, boron family. Yes, boron family. 13 group elements, I think. Bal Gangadhar in Tilak. Okay, what is the correct option here? see here, we have to find the correct statement about B2H6. See here, what is the first statement? So in B2H6, all BH bonds are equivalent. So इन डाइबोरेन, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, डाइबोरेन में BH bonds है ना. So मैं लिखता हूं इधर, I will draw the structure of diborane. See here, boron is there, and diborane is, it's a combination of BH3 and BH3. BH3 is nothing but B2H6. It is a combination of what? B2H6. See here, one BH3, I'm writing one hydrogen here, and one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, and another boron, one hydrogen I'm writing here, and two hydrogens I'm writing here. So this is the structure of what? Diborane. See here, these two can form partial bonds, these two can also form partial bond and overlap. They both they are overlap each other, because boron what? Electron deficient species, and boron having empty orbital, and it will form what? Like this bond. So this also we will call it as a what? Banana bond. Okay, banana bond. Here they are asking BH bond. BH bond. See here, this corner BH bond is there na, this and this. These are having, see here, very important and very simple. These are having 131 picometer distance. This corner, sorry, this corner one having, I think this corner one having 119. Yes, 119 picometer distance. This bond and this bond, I will indicate with different color. This bond and this bond, and this bond and this bond. This BH bond and this BH bond, and this BH bond and this BH bond. We are having how much distance? 119 picometer distance. But see here, this boron, this hydrogen in between, this boron and this hydrogen, and this boron and this hydrogen. Here we are having 161 picometer distance. So both distance are not same. That's why. So both bonds are not equivalent. So option B, option A galat hai. We can remove option A. So let us go to the option B. B2H6 are the 4 center. What? 4 center 3 electron bond. They said that 4 center and 4 center 2 electron bond. They are saying that. Okay. So let us check it is correct or wrong. Okay. See here, boron is there, here boron is there, and here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, and here one hydrogen, and here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Okay. And see here, this boron having empty orbital, it will overlap like this, and it will also overlap like this. Here, this is not 100% bond. Okay, this is not 100% bond. Only this bond is, this is the pure bond, and this is the pure bond. But here, see, 3 center is there. This is one boron, and this is one hydrogen, and this is one boron. So this is one center. Okay, so in this center, how much? Boron, hydrogen, boron. So this is one center, and here also same. Boron, hydrogen, and boron. 2 centers are there, but only 3 centers. Okay, 2 center. Yes, 2 center and 2 electrons. Yeah, sorry, 3 center, BHB, and another one is there, na? Another one is 3 centers. See here, one center. This is one boron, one center. This is hydrogen, another center. This boron, another center. So 3 center and 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons are there, na? This bond, in this bond 2 electrons, in this bond 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons. So 3 center, 2 electrons. So option B also wrong. Here they are given 4 center, 3 electron. And B2H6 is a Lewis acid. Obviously it is correct because it is electron deficient species. So B2H6 what? It is a what? It is a Lewis electron, because so entire this compound, how many electrons are present? 12 electrons. Only 12 electrons are present. Okay. So it needs to present 14 electrons. Okay. But only 12 electrons are present. So it is electron deficient species. Electron deficient species is also called as what? Lewis acid. And see the D, B2H6 can be synthesized from the BF3 and NaBH4. So this option also correct option. So option C and option D both are correct. And let us see option E. Option E, B2H6 is not a planar molecule. It is not a planar molecule. Okay. So option E wrong. So option D and option C both are correct. So option C anedi ikkada correct because C and D only. Okay. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Okay. So what is the next question? The most stable trihalide of the nitrogen is what? Most stable trihalide is what? Most stable trihalide. I will give 30 seconds of time. This question is asked from where? Nitrogen family. Nitrogen family, P block element. P block elements, nitrogen family. This question is asked from. C is correct. Very good. Arurag, very good. Yes. Sadak, very good. Okay. See here. So what is the correct option here? Try to give the answer. A. So very good. Sadak, very good. So Sadak said that option A. So what is the correct option means? The correct option is option A. So can anyone tell why option A is correct? See here, most stable trihalides. Actually, trihalides are very unstable. These trihalides are very unstable. Okay. But we have to find among these unstable trihalides, we have to find one stable trihalide. Okay. Na? We have to find one stable halides. See here, nitrogen, here F3 and NCl3 and NBr3 and N. So why these trihalides are less stable means, so nitrogen is क्या है, ये बहुत छोटी आटम है. ओके, बहुत ही छोटी आटम है, लेकिन all halides are what? Bigger atoms. Okay na, bigger atoms. So when atoms are having same size, then overlapping is very good. Okay, overlapping बहुत अच्छा होता है when atoms are same size. But this all halides are what? Having very big atomic size and bond length also. See a nitrogen, like nitrogen is there na, fluorine. So this bond is having the very weaker bond. This is what? This is very weaker bond hota hai. Okay, but see here, among all these fluoride halides, so which one having what? Which one having very less size? So obviously fluorine. Okay, fluorine. So generally stability is depending upon what? Size of stability, size of this cation and anion. So if I say this concept, you will confuse. Very simple, very simple. So bigger the bigger the halide, then stability is very less. Okay, so here fluorine having very less size, that means nitrogen can form very strong bond with fluorine when compared to iodine and when compared to bromine, when compared to chlorine. ओके ना, आप आयोडीन के साथ, ब्रोमीन के साथ, क्लोरीन के साथ कंपेयर करेगा तो सो नाइट्रोजन विल फॉर्म स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड विथ फ्लोरीन, क्योंकि फ्लोरीन का साइज बहुत छोटा है एंड नाइट्रोजन का साइज भी बहुत छोटा है. इस दोनों का बीच में अच्छी बॉन्ड होता है, ओवरलैपिंग भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. लेकिन क्लोरीन के साथ, ब्रोमीन के साथ, आयोडीन के साथ अच्छी ओवरलैपिंग नहीं होता, अच्छी बॉन्ड नहीं बनता. समझ गया? So what is the correct option? Option A is the correct option. So let us go to the next question. So what is the next question? Which one of the following element forms is not present in the enamel of the teeth? So very simple. This question is asked due to smaller size of fluorine. Very good. Very good. In teeth enamel, which of the ions, which of the elements are not present? So they mentioned what? Not. So you just remember, not present. Very simple and theory question it is. Very simple and theory question. Is it okay? Fluorine minus. No, Sadak, not ma. So let me tell. See here most of the students will get confused definitely. So in teeth enamel, so what are the ions present? Let me tell. See here, calcium phosphate is present, PO4, taken 2. Calcium phosphate is present. Along with calcium phosphate, Mg2 plus ions are present. and Na plus ions are present, and F minus ions are present, and CO3 2 positive ions are also present. Okay na? CO2 positive ions are also present. See here, fluorine is present. See here, fluorine is present, and calcium also present. See here, calcium also present, and here phosphate also present. See here, this is phosphate na, phosphate is present here, phosphate present. So see here, what is the oxidation state of phosphate? If you will check, you will get correct answer. Okay, if you will check, you will get correct option. See here calcium having +2 oxidation state, and here PO4 having how much oxidation state? How much oxidation state? See here, I will write once again here. Just imagine this is X. Okay na? So O2 means what? O4 means what? 4 into -2, 4 into -2, and PO4 ऊपर क्या रहता है? -3 चार्ज रहता है, is equal to -3. So X is equal to 4 into -2 means -8 is equal to -3. So X is equal to, so -3 plus 8, that means what? That means what? +5. So here phosphorus having +5 oxidation state. Only phosphorus positive, 5 positive ions only present in enamel. So option D also correct, option C also correct, option A also correct. But option B here, phosphorus +3 oxidation state ions are not present in enamel. So option B is our actual answer. So according to this question, so which is not correct na? So option B is not correct. That means it is the correct option. Clear? It is the correct option. Yes, Sadak, very good. So okay, so let us go to the next question. See here, so I will minimize it. Okay, so try to give the answer. Try to give the answer. So in the given reaction sequence, the major product C is, so if it is not visible, I will write here C18 H10 is gives HNO3 in presence of HNO3 and H2SO4, and it will produce A, and in presence of Br2 bond delta, that means it will follow free radical reaction. So I will give hint. Next, in presence of alcoholic KOH, it will give C. So this is the actual reaction. So we have to find C. So what is this C? C क्या है हमको? हम C का वैल्यू पता चलना है. Sorry, we have to find the C value. Okay, so let me tell the answer. So see here, C8H10 is there. So we have to find one correct isomer. One correct isomer we have to find. Through that isomer we have to do reaction. Okay, C8H10 means it can form chain isomer, and it can form also like benzene. Okay na, benzene ring also it can form. Okay na. So see here, in given option, any chain compound is there? No. That means we have to form what? Benzene compound. One benzene isomer we have to form. So just remove, so just write benzene here. What is the formula of benzene? C6H6 is the formula of benzene. Okay na. See here, from C8H10, if we will remove this benzene, what we will ikkada em migultundi manaku? क्या बचेगा इधर? So C8 से C6 गया, so C2 बचेगा, और H10 से और H6 गया था, here H4 बचेगा. Okay, so form one isomer with this. Okay, with this. So if you want to attach this C2H4 with this benzene, what we have to do? So ये benzene से हम क्या करें? देखो इधर, मैं इधर लिख रहा हूं, ये benzene है. We have to attach this one. So what we have to do? We have to remove any one hydrogen from benzene. Okay, so here I am removing one hydrogen. See here, I am attaching with this CH2 and CH3. Okay, CH3. So this is the what? Isomer we can form from here. Okay, we can form from here. So if we will react this compound with, see here, I will write separately, then you will understand. Okay, first take one screenshot. इसको एक बार screenshot ले लो. Okay, see here, I am writing here. Benzene is there, and here CH2 and CH3 is there. So we are reacting with HNO3 and H2SO4. So what will be happen? Tell me, what will be happen? What will be happen? So it is nothing but what? If we will take HNO3 and H2SO4 means it is nothing but nitration. Okay, na? Nitration. In nitration, what will be happen? NO2 will going to attack at para position, and it can also attach it by where para position and what? Ortho position. See here, same compound. Can I write this C2H5 here? So I will write like this only, CH2 and CH3, and here NO2 is going to attack, or maybe it can also attack here also, CH2 and CH3, and it can be attacked here also. So what is the major compound? Always when compared to ortho, para position is what? Major. So major, this is the major compound. So we will get A. So what is the A here? So this is the A. We will get A. So if we will react A with what? Br2 and on heating. So if you will see anywhere delta symbol, that means UV light. So you have to remember that will follow what? Free radical mechanism. Very very important, free radical mechanism. Here bromine का क्या हो जाएगा? Free radical reaction हो जाएगा. See here, Br2, it will break homolytically, cleavage will be happen here. So one electron will come here, one electron will come here. So bromine free radicals are going to be formed. Okay, now see here, this free radical is going to be attacked where? Where should be attacked? Where it should be attacked? Chapandi, where it should be attacked? So it cannot attack here. It cannot attack on benzene ring because benzene is electron rich species. Benzene is electron rich species. It will act as a what? Electrophile. Okay, na? Electrophile. Okay, na? So maybe this bromine can attack from this carbon or this carbon. Okay, so see here, this 2-degree carbon. Here we can, if we can remove one hydrogen from here. See here, I will write this structure over here. CH, 1H I am writing here, and here CH2 is there na? Here CH2 I am writing this part here. So if you will do homolytic cleavage, one radical will come here, one radical will come here. So then one bromine radical goes with this H radical, and one bromine radical will come and attack with this CH. Okay, with this CH. So I'm going. So I will going to write the reaction here. So CH is there. So here one radical is there na, it will attack with bromine radical. So it will form one bond. Okay. Then here CH2 already is there. And from this reaction, BRH is going to remove. Okay. BRH is going to be removed. So next what will be happen? So this is what? This is compound B. So when we will react with KOH, alcoholic KOH, what will be happen? Tell me. What will be happen? What will be happen? Very simple. This bromine is more electronegative species. What it will be do? It will take electron from bromine, from carbon, and it will go as a what? Br minus. Okay, then what will be formed? So ये कार्बन को नुकसान हो गया, कार्बन को नुकसान होगा क्योंकि ब्रोमीन इसके पास से इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके बाहर गया था. ओके, सो देन व्हाट विल बी हैपन? इसके साथ एक फ्रेंड है ना कार्बन, ये इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देगा. ओके, इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देगा. सो हियर CH3 इज देयर ना, वन हाइड्रोजन. So it will donate completely, it will shift one bond completely here. So here we will get double bond. Okay, here we will get double bond. Wo, and here CH double bond CH. H2. This compound is going to be formed. And here, sorry, I forget to mention here nitrogen also there, na, NO2 and NO2. Okay. So what is the correct option? Now you just find what is the correct option here. Tell me what is the correct option. Option B is the correct option. Option B is the correct option. Am I right? Very simple. Option B is the correct option. Correct option. Take one screenshot. Okay. Take one screenshot. Okay. We will go to the next question. So see the next question. I will try to zoom this. Okay. See the question. What is the question? Two statements are given below. The statement 1 and statement 2. So we have to find the appropriate option. We have to find appropriate answer. This is also theory based question and very simple. Very simple. Very simple. This question is also asked from NCERT. If you will read inorganic chemistry point to point, you will not get any mistake. Sure about that. You will not get any mistake. Okay. So, okay, your time is up now. Okay, your time is up. So let us discuss what is the correct option. So what is the correct option? Tell me. So let me read this statement 1. The melting point of monocarboxylic acid with even number of carbon atoms is higher than that with the odd number of the carbon atoms acid, carbon atom acid immediately below and above. It's the series. It's the series. It's the series. Is it correct or wrong? Tell me, is it correct or wrong? Obviously, this statement is correct. Why, sir? Why it is correct? See here. Here they are saying that for with even number of carbon atoms, if even number of carbon atom is there, monocarboxylic acids, if it is containing even number of carbon atoms, so it will show higher boiling point. They are telling that if even number of carbon atoms are present in monocarboxylic acid, okay, so it will show higher melting point. So let me take one example. See here, CH3 is there and COOH is there. Here one carbon, here two carbon. Two carbons are there. Na? This is what? This is even number of carbon. Okay. Next, so let me take, see here next what it is said. With odd number of carbons, odd number of carbon के साथ क्या होता है? Odd number of carbon के साथ ये monobasic carboxylic acids, what they it will decrease what? It will decrease what? Melting point. It is having very less melting point. So how I will explain. See here, you will get confused. See here, this is even number of carbons here, and let me take another example, CH3 and CH3 and COOH. Okay, see here, one carbon, two carbon, three carbons. This is what? This is odd number. So this is odd number monocarboxylic acid. Here one carboxylic acid group only there, and here also one carboxylic acid group only there. Okay, na? So this is even number of monocarboxylic acid group. This is what? Odd number of what? Monocarboxylic acid group. So in statement 1, they are telling that with the even number of monocarboxylic acid group which is having high what? BP, not BP, not blood pressure, boiling point here. Okay, इधर BP का मतलब वो BP नहीं है क्या? Boiling point है. And here they are telling that here having less BP. Okay, boiling point is very less with odd. Okay, so what is the reason? What is the reason? In NCERT clearly they mentioned that. So I will write here point to point. If symmetrical, see here, even number of this monocarboxylic group are what? Symmetrical. Am I right or wrong? These are symmetrical and they are highly packed. I am talking about this even. Okay, they are highly and tightly packed. Okay, na? And tightly packed crystal structures. So this even number of carbon containing monocarboxylic acids, generally they are tightly packed. Okay, and these tightly packed structure and I mean which these are having what? Tightly packed crystal structures. That means strong what? Strong bond is present in between uh, two. See here they mentioned another point, two series. We can take another series. This is one series and this is another series COOH and this is another series. Okay, so they are what? Tightly packed, they are having tightly packed crystal structure. It means what? Can we boil if we will melt ఒకవేళ మనం మెల్ట్ చేసినట్టయితే आप मेल्ट करेगा तो इजीली मेल्ट हो जाएगा क्या? नहीं हो जाएगा, क्योंकि दे आर टाइटली पैक्ड. ओके ना, दे आर हैविंग टाइटली पैक्ड क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, so first statement is correct only. Next, and these are having loosely packed, just reverse that, packed crystal structure. Okay, next, second statement, the solubility of monocarboxylic acids in water decreases with the increase of molar mass. Very simple, molar mass increase हो गया तो solubility भी increase हो जाएगा. The solubility of monocarboxylic acid in water decreases. Okay, so solubility decreases, increases the molar mass, with increases the molar mass. Molar mass increase हो गया तो see here, molar mass increase हो गया तो see here, solubility is decrease, okay, solubility is decrease क्योंकि mass बढ़ रहा है ना, mass बढ़ रहा है ना. So this is also correct statement. So what is the correct option? Both A and B, both statements are what? Correct only. Both statements are correct only. Navneet Kumar, hi. Let us go to the next question. Next question. Which of the following is an example for what? Conjugated diene. So we have to tell the word example for what? Conjugated diene. What is the conjugated diene? Here. We have to find the conjugated diene among these three options. Give me answer. Give me the answer. Okay, so now I will discuss. So conjugated means what? So what is the rule for the conjugation? So it should be have pi, sigma, pi, or these are the rules for the conjugation, or pi, sigma positive, or pi, sigma lone pair, or pi, sigma free radical. Okay, free radical, pi, sigma negative charge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So another one is there, empty orbital, sigma and lone pair. Okay, sigma and lone pair. Clear? So if any this condition is there, we can say that is following what? Conjugation. Okay, see here, diketones. They are asking about diketones. So what is the formula of ketone? So double bond R dash. This is the formula of what? Ketone. So in this R plus we can take any alkyl group. Okay na? Benzyl also we can take in the place of R. Okay na? See here you can see here one ketone is present, here one ketone is present. This is one R group and this is one R group. Okay, and this is double bond group, this is double bond group. Okay sir, and here also one R group there, here also one R group there. Can we say this is diketone? Yes, but can we say this is conjugated diketone? They are asking specifically conjugated diketone. Okay, so here conjugation is not there. See here conjugation is not there. Here sigma bond, two sigma bonds are there. Okay, complete conjugation should be present. So here conjugation is not there. That means option A is wrong. And see here this is a ketone group. This is a ketone. This is one R group and this is also one R group. And so this is also one ketone group. But see here in this ring, conjugation is there? No, conjugation is not there. But option C, see this option constantly. See here, this is one ketone group and this is also one ketone group. Okay, so this is also one ketone group. See here, this is pi bond This is sigma bond, and here at the oxygen one pi bond is there. Pi sigma pi. See here, pi sigma pi, and we have to check it is conjugation is present in entire this compound or not. See here, and here one pi is there now. Okay, this is sigma and this is pi. So pi sigma pi. Next, this is pi and this is sigma, and this is what? At the oxygen one pi bond is present. So pi. Next, this is pi, this, so pi sigma pi. So conjugation is there entire this compound, and we have to find what? Diketone. So this is one ketone, this is another ketone. So what? Di. So di ketone, and conjugation also there. So that's why option C is the correct option. Okay, option C is the correct option. Both simple hai. Okay, both simple hai. So let us go to the next question. So is my question is visible? Okay, see here. So we have to react this compound with this all reagents NaCH and OH and cyclohexane and H2Ni, and then here we will get one major product. What is that product we have to find? क्या product form हो जाएगा इधर? Okay, so let us find. See here, this is what? Benzene. Here benzene is there. Okay, and here OCH3 is there, and here Br is there. Okay, and first of all we have to react with what? NaCH. Okay, NaCH. So what is this reaction? So this will follow nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, na? NS, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So what will be happen in nucleophilic substitution reaction? A strong nucleophile is a weak nucleophile is replaced by a strong nucleophile. See here, this is Na plus and Cn minus, and this is Br minus. This is also nucleophile Br minus. So Br minus is weak nucleophile when compared to Cn minus. That's why this Cn minus is going to replace at where? This Br minus. Very simple. Okay ना? Very simple. इधर क्या form हो जाएगा? इधर हो जाएगा form COH3, and either we will get Cn. Okay, Cn. Clear? 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 Very simple. Okay, so we will get clear. So then we have to react with O minus. So we have to react with O minus. Okay, so what will be formed here? Tell me, what will be formed here? If we will react this with OH minus, what it will be formed? Chepandi. So this OH minus is acts as a what? Base. Am I right? It will act as a what? Base. So it will attack where? Where it will be attack? So it will be come and attack here, this, at this center. Okay, at this center. So I will write this here. So here it will like CH2 and Cn. Am I right? CH2 Cn. This it is like here this na. So here these two hydrogens are what? Acidic hydrogen. So one hydrogen will go with what? This OH. Okay, OH. So minus H2O. Okay, okay. So clear? Clear? So here only, now here only one H only present, because one H already went with what? This OH na. Okay, this OH na. See here, I will write one H here. Just imagine here one H is there. So this hydrogen is giving this electrons to what? The CH, and it is going outside. Okay, it is going outside with this OH minus. Clear? What will be from next? Here OCH3 is there, and here this CH and Cn. CH and Cn. Next what? Cyclohexanone. We have to react with what? Cyclohexanone. What is the cyclohexanone? This is the what? Cyclohexanone. Okay, now this is the cyclohexanone. So what will be happen here? What will be happen here? So this oxygen is more electronegative species. It will take electron from this carbon. This pi bond is partially moving towards this oxygen. Oxygen will get negative charge, and this carbon will get what? Positive charge. Okay, clear? Clear? This positive charge will come and attack here, because here we will get positive charge. Why? Here hydrogen is went na. Hydrogen is went na. Okay, here we will get what? Sorry, here we will get a negative charge, because hydrogen is giving this electron to this carbon. Okay, it is going like what? H plus. Clear? Clear? It will go with this OH minus. Okay, OH minus. So this H is there now. This H when this H is giving electron to this carbon, carbon will get negative charge. So here this carbon having a positive charge, this positive charge and come attack with this negative charge. Very simple. So what will be formed here? So OCH3 is formed, and here CH is there now. From here benzene ring will come and attack here. So this cyclohexanone ring. Okay. So here one oxygen is there, it is having negative charge. Okay, and on this CH, one nitrogen also there, so CN also there. Okay, CN also there. Okay, so next what we have to do? We have to do react with what? H2 and Ni. So it is nothing but what? We have to do what? Addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen. So H2 and nickel means what? Addition of hydrogen. We have to do addition. Okay, na? So this hydrogen will go and attack where pi bond is there na. Pi bonds is there na. So there it will go into attack. Okay na. See here, Cn is there na. Cn means C triple bond N. See here, two bonds are there. Here two bonds is there. Okay na. So two hydrogen will come and attack here. So reduction means addition of hydrogen. Okay na. So here two hydrogen and here two hydrogen is going to be what? Attach. Clear? So we will get what we will get here. This compound will form OCH3, and from this H2O, one H will come and one H plus is going to come and attack with this OH minus. Clear? This OH minus. So convergence reaction means obviously confusions untai. अब बहुत सारा confusions होता है, हमको practice करना पड़ेगा बार बार. Okay, so here we will get what? Here we will get CH. Here here NH NH2. Here we will get what? NH2. Okay na? Only two H2 are coming and attack here. Will come and attack here. So NH2 will going to form here. Okay, NH2. And here what we will get? Here benzene ring is there, and here we will get what? OH. Okay, OH. So this is the compound which is going to be formed. Okay. Okay. Clear? This is the compound which will be going to form. So what is the correct option? What is the correct option? Tell me what is the correct option? Option. See here, I will scroll down. Just remember this. See here, option C is the correct option. Option C. No, option D is the correct option. C. Option D is the correct option. Okay. Okay. This compound will going to be formed. I think I mentioned OH here. So you have to mention OH here only. Okay. Next. Let us go to the next question. So what is the next question? Which of the following is an example for what? Polyester. What are the example for what? Polyester. Example for what? Polyester. Very simple. What are the example for what? Polyester. See here. See here. Okay, see here, Pillalu. See here, Pillalu. Example for what? Polyesters. What are the example for what? Polyesters. Tell me. So very simple. Polyhydroxy. See here, polyhydroxy. Copolymers. So can anyone please tell me the answer? So polyhydroxy poly beta hydroxy butyrate and CO beta hydroxy valerate. This is the correct option. Okay, this is the correct option. Polyesteric example. Okay, so let us go to the next question. So a polymer, a polysaccharide X and boiling with the dilute H2SO4 and at 393 Kelvin under 2 to 3 atm pressure. So ylides Y and Y on treatment with the bromide water gives gluconic acid, and X contains beta glycosidic linkages only. The compound X is. So very simple question. It is looking like very big, but we have to think just practically. And they are asking X containing what? Beta hydroxyglycosidic linkages. So in which compound beta hydroxyglycosidic linkage is present? Starch or cellulose or amylase or amylophosphate. So very simple. In cellulose, beta hydroxyglycosidic linkages are present. If you will just see in NCRT, you can get the answer if you will see the structure of cellulose. Okay na? So beta hydroxy, like this structure is present in between. Okay na? Like this structure is present, not this. Okay na? 1,4 position at hydrogen. Okay. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Which of the following is not broad spectrum antibiotics? Which are not broad spectrum antibiotics? Tell me. Broad spectrum antibiotics. Very simple. Penicillin G, which is what? Which is not broad spectrum antibiotic. It is what? It is a narrow spectrum antibiotic. So remaining all are what? Remaining all are broad spectrum antibiotics. These also these question also theory based question and very simple only. Okay, very simple only. So let us go to the next question. Next question. So during the quantitative analysis of salt with y to the power of +2 and addition of a reagent X and of 2 alkaline solution of a salt gives a big red color precipitate, and the reagent X and the certain Y2 plus present respectively are. So we have to find what is the correct option. What is the correct option? The correct option is, what is the correct option? Tell me. The correct option is, so this option A is the correct option. Nickel at +2 oxidation state. So this is not correct option. Okay. Okay, so let us go to the next question. So 21, these are the integer types of the questions. Okay na? Let us do the answer. Do this answer. Very less number of the students are present. Why, I don't know. Tell me what is the correct option. Integer types of questions are came. We will get how much answer we will get. Finally, we will get what? We have, first of all, we have to write this reaction. Okay. See here 2O3 and it gives less to what? 3O2 and gas. This is the reaction they are given. Okay. So finally, ultimately, we are getting what? -747 joules per mole answer we will get for this integer type of question. Okay, they mentioned 50% here. Ozone, 50% of the dissociates. 50% of the dissociates. Okay, dissociated 50%. So we have, first of all, we have to find the Kp value. Okay, we have to find what? Kp value. Product concentration by reactant concentration. Just do this and you will get answer. Finally, we will get this answer. Okay, Finally we will get this answer. And here RT value and value also there, na ln value also there. Okay, we can get easily. Next, the osmotic pressure of the blood is 7.47 bar at 300 kelvins. To inject glucose to a patient intravenously, it has to be isotonic with blood. The concentration of glucose solution, okay, na, we have to find molar mass also given glucose, and R value is given. Just uh, see, just see. So if you know the formula, directly we can find. Very simple. If we will know the formula, directly we can find. Okay. So N is equal to what? CRT. This is the formula. Just we have to put the values here. Then we will get answer. So how much we will get? Minus 747 joules per mole we will get. So not, sorry, what I am writing. What I am writing. So we'll get what? So basic formula C is equal to what? N is equal to what? CRT. So what we have to find, they are asking that concentration of glucose. We have to find C value. Okay, na? So N value is given, R value is given, R value also it is a constant, and T value is also given. We have to what? Just we have to put the values when we will get answer. Okay. Finally, we will get what? 54. 54. We'll get what? 54. Okay. Very simple. Next, let us go to the next question. So the cell potential for the following cell. So ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక రియాక్షన్ ఇచ్చిండు. We have to write the reaction at cathode and the anode. Okay, we have to write at the reaction at anode. At the anode, what will be the reaction here? What will be the here reaction here? H2, and it is gives H plus. Okay, H2 it will gives H plus, and it will by removing two electrons. And next, what at the cathode, what will be happen? C2 plus, Cu and copper 2 plus, and it will gives two electrons. It will gain the two electrons, and it will form like this. So overall reaction, what will get? Cu2 plus and plus H2 and 2H plus and Cu. Okay, and Cu. So we already, so equation all came, and we know the formula of what? E cell. What is the formula? So E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.06 by 2 log H plus by Cu2 plus. So from here we will get what? H plus value we will get here. Okay, na? So from H value we can find out what? pH value also. So finally, ultimately we will get what? 4.93, approximately 5. We will get answer. Okay, we'll get answer 5. Next answer, the rate of constant. So what is the option? What is the answer here? What is the answer here? So nobody is there in live. At least I have to tell answers. Okay, na? At least do it is as a homework. Okay, do it as a homework. So nobody is responding. Nobody. 25th. What is the answer? So we will get minus 154, approximately 154 answer we will get. Okay, na? So exactly means we will get what? 153.735 something kilo joules per mole we will get. So this is the correct answer. How you have to find? Okay, how you have to find? So we already know the formula now. So K is equal to ln A minus EA by 10 to the power of 3 RT, okay, into 10 to the power of minus 3. So just we have to put the values and we will get the answer if we will do. Okay, let us go to the next answer. The difference in oxidation state of the chromium in chromate and dichromate salts. Chromium and dichromate salts. So what we will get answers? Chromium and dichromate salts. Cr O7 2 minus 1 salt we will get, and we will also get Cr2 O7 2 minus. And what is the difference between these two? Do you know? Here chromium having plus 6 and here here also having plus 6. So the difference is, we can say 0. Difference we can say 0. Okay. Next question. So in cobalt carbonyl complex, so the number of cobalt bond is X, and terminal cobalt ligands Y, and X plus Y is equal to how much? X plus Y is equal to how much? So we will get X plus Y is equal to how much? 7. H plus Y is equal to how much? 7 we will get. So X is equal to, we will get 1, Y is equal to, we will get what? We will get what? 6. Okay, now so what is the structure actually? Cobalt, here one cobalt is there, here one cobalt, and they are interconnected with cobalt, and 3 cobalts are at corners, present at corners. Okay, so this 3 plus 1 is equal to how much? So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 1 is equal to how much? 7. Okay. Next, 28th. What is the correct option for 28th question? So how many? So we have to find. Yes, what is the answer we will get here? Here we will get up 147.59%. What answer we will get here? Next, last and final. So here, how many electrophilic centers are present? Very simple. Very simple. Electrophilic centers. How many electrophilic center? This is one electrophilic center, and this is also one electrophilic center. So we will get what? 2 electrophilic centers are present, and this is also one electrophilic center only. So three electrophilic centers are present. Answer what? 3 electrophilic centers. So what is the final question? Final question. So we have to write the product. We have to write the major product. What is the major product? Finally, we will get what? Actually, the major product of the following given reaction: 2,7 dimethyl and 1,2,2,6 and octadiene in acidic medium. So what we will get? So finally we will get what? We'll get 2 methyl groups in double bond, and here methyl and here one methyl. Finally we will get this product. Okay, so this is about what? Session 1 analysis. Okay, so only one student is there live, that's why I said only answer. So from tomorrow onwards we will explain clearly each and every question. At least try to present from tomorrow also. Please inform to your friends. Okay. Okay, so now I will discuss about happy exam pattern. So how we have to attempt? See here. So we already know that. So in JEE 2022 session 2, so how many questions will be present? So total number of questions are how much? 90 questions are there. Okay, so how much duration we will get? So we will get 180 minutes, 3 hours. Okay, so how much duration we will get? We will get 180 minutes of time for each subject. And I mean for each subject, so how many questions are there? So we know that how many questions? 30 questions are there for each subject. Okay, so in that 30 questions, so 20 questions they will ask in part A, section A, and 10 questions they will ask from where, section B. So in this 20 questions we have to attempt, no problem. And among these 10 questions, and it is mandatory to attempt 5 questions. We have to attempt. Okay, we have to attempt 5 questions. Clear? Next. And let us go to the next question. So next page, the first section we have to what all the questions are mandatory only. First section 20 questions are mandatory, and the second session, and one important thing, what negative marking is there. What negative marking is there in the second question, in second section also. So last year there is no negative marking in second section, only integer types of questions are there in second second section, section B. That means section B. In first section all are multiple choice questions. In second section, what all are integer types of questions. 10 questions should be there in each and every subject. Okay, na? In chemistry and physics and maths. Okay, see here, out of this 10 questions, 5 questions we need to answer. Damn sure we have to answer. Okay, na? It is mandatory. Next, so what we have to do in exam. Okay, na? We have 180 minutes of time is there. So first 1 hour, how we have to attempt the questions. Okay, na? First 1 hour. See, so see here, first 45 minutes. Okay, na? So among this 180 minutes, first 45 minutes, we have to attempt 15 questions. At least 15 questions we have to attempt. Okay, na? So all integer types of questions. The target is what? All integer types of questions from botany, from maths, from chemistry, and from physics. So among all these 3 subjects, so first of all we have to concentrate on what? Integer questions from all these subjects. At least we have to so we have to score what? We have to attempt what? 15 questions, must and should. Because what? We have an option now. 10 questions are there. Among 10 questions we have to write what? 5 questions. Okay, na? So we can choose. We have an opportunity. Okay, na? So we can write, we can attempt the easy questions. Okay, we can write easy questions. So whatever the hard question is there, we can remove. Okay, so first of all, if you will attempt the integer types of questions, it will very good. It will very good for you. Okay, so next, third, see here, second 60 minutes. Second 60 minutes, what we have to do? We have to attempt 35 questions from chemistry, physics, and maths. At least we have to attempt what? 35 questions. Okay, na? So whatever the questions, you will feel better, you will feel easy. So that type of questions you have to attempt. Okay, na? So easy questions and quickly answered questions. Okay, na? So you have to attempt from all subjects. Okay, na? So if you will attempt na, so then you will get what? One confidence. You will get one confidence. Okay, na? At least you will you have to attempt 10 to 15 questions from each subject. Okay, so next, what we have to do? So next, third 45 minutes. Okay, na? Third 45 minutes we have to attempt what? 25 questions. So first 45 minutes we have to attempt 15 integer types of questions, and second, what we have to attempt? We have to attempt 30 questions. Next 60 minutes, 45 minutes and 60 minutes, and next 45 minutes, and here 25 questions we have to attempt. Okay, na? 25 questions we have to attempt. So see, target difficult or not unknown questions. So not unknown, we have to only attempt different, and I mean different difficult questions. Okay, na? Difficult questions we have to attempt. Don't go for unknown questions. It is very important. If you go for the unknown questions, you know, negative marking is there, so you will get loss. Okay, na? You have to attempt only known questions, and that too difficult questions, because already easy questions we are attempted in this 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes and this 15 minutes, 45 minutes. Okay, and last 30 minutes, last 30 minutes. So what we have to do in last 30 minutes? So revisit marks for review questions. So if you will put any questions for mark for review, just go through that questions and again give correct options. Okay, recheck it. Okay na, in last 30 minutes. And you have to remember one thing, don't go for unknown questions because negative marking is there. Okay, negative marking is there. So the question, if you will know 100% answer, then only you have to attempt that question. Okay, so, review. Okay na, this is about happy exam pattern. Next, if you want any material regarding JEE, okay, revision material and short notes, so these all materials are present in our RISE application. Okay, RISE application, revision material is there and short notes is there. So it is very important. This is last moment na. Okay na, so it is must and important to what we have to see, we have to revise. Okay na, so the material which is present in our RISE application, so that is very useful to increase your marks in last this 3 to 4 days. Okay na, so utilize this opportunity. Okay na, so go and register in RISE application. I have given link in the description, so down and watch that revision material and short notes and practice daily. And okay, it will help a lot for your in your preparation. And so today we solved what JEE means first session question paper. So tomorrow we will start we will solve second question paper, second session question paper. Okay, so try to attend tomorrow. So thank you so much everyone, thank you so much. So I hope any doubts clear and anukuntunnanu. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Bye bye and have a nice day.